In an ever-increasing competitive business world, reducing the total cost of product ownership, without compromising on quality and on-time delivery, is the key to the success of many companies across the world. And that's where we come in. Violin Technologies. Strategically located in the automotive hub of India, we have easy access to both ocean and air transportation. A vertically integrated manufacturer, with multiple factories in Chennai along with a warehouse and distribution in the USA. Violin Technologies was established in 2016 with the sole intent of providing the best-in-class services to customers across the globe. Our manufacturing infrastructure is at the core of our success, and it allows us to offer our customers the lowest ownership cost experience in the world. Drawn from diverse fields of expertise, our core engineering staff and employees are the backbone of our company. Our high-end quality systems are a reflection of our uncompromising pursuit for better quality standards. All our facilities are designed and certified to manufacture products for the industrial, transportation, food, medical, telecom, power, defense, and aerospace sectors. We know we win when you win. With our systems, expertise, and experience, we know it's ultimately about keeping promises to deliver nothing but the best.